Looking for reverse osmosis maintenance, service and repair in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we ensure your water filtration system runs efficiently, providing clean, safe drinking water. Regular reverse osmosis maintenance prevents system failures, improves water quality, and extends the life of your system. Our certified professionals offer filter replacements, system cleaning, and troubleshooting to keep everything running smoothly. With local expertise in Edmonton, we understand the area's water quality concerns and provide fast, affordable service tailored to your needs. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert reverse osmosis maintenance, service and repair in Edmonton. Call us now or book online today.